Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can connect your TCL Smart TV with your amplifier. So if you have an amplifier, what you can do is you can simply connect your TCL Smart TV HDMI cable. If that is with an audio out simple analog cable, then there is a port on your TCL TV right in this side of your TCL TV where you can connect your audio out. So this is where you can connect. If it's an analog or audio out, then it's very simple to connect and the audio will automatically redirect to your external speakers. But if you want to connect that digitally, if you want to connect your amplifier digitally with an HDMI cable, then you are going to connect an HDMI cable with your TCL Smart TV and with your amplifier. And after that, you will have to go to the settings. So you can click on the settings on your remote and then you can scroll down and go to sound. And in your sound, you can go to advanced settings. And in advanced settings, you can go to digital audio out. And you will have to select the PCM if you want to connect. If you want to go your audio through the HDMI cable, then you can simply go to PCM. So this will make sure that the audio is also going through your HDMI cable as well. So this is how you connect your amplifier with your TCL Smart TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.